And what is up, guys? Thank y'all for joining me today. But we got some cool stuff we're gonna do. It's been a long time coming with the Mustang. Of course, there she is. It's a little dusty. A little dusty. There she is. But anyway, we got some stuff we're gonna put on today. To kind of show y'all what I'm working with. We got some new stuff. It's gonna be exciting. Hopefully we can get it all tonight. Of course, we got a new clutch that's gonna be going in. Brand new parts and pieces, still wrapped. Got a new clutch, got a cold air intake I wanna put on as well. Got the flywheel, new clutch fork, got a new clutch cable. It's always good to replace those. And I do have a little something, you know, little tuner right here we're gonna throw on there. Give her a little extra horsepower, a little exhaust gasket. But yeah, so she is going in. It's been kind of a long time coming with this Mustang. I barely get to work on it. Maybe like once a week, if that. Hadn't really had time. I did get sick with COVID. The whole family got it, and we're good now. So we're ready to rock and roll. Hopefully we can get this thing done in time. But I do have to take off the header. I snapped a bolt on it, so yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. I'm thinking, but we're gonna get it out. But anyway, yeah. All right, so I just kind of want to show y'all what I'm up against. As you can see, yeah, that ain't no good. I snapped that bolt. So what I'm gonna need to do, I gotta take that freaking header off. Some say it's hard to do with it in the car. Well, I've done it before. It ain't that hard. It is a pain in the butt getting it back in, but it can be done. So let's get this header off and take a look at it, shall we? All right. All right, boys. Well, that's my header. And of course, you can see there, that's my problem. That don't look good. It look good up in the neighborhood. But yeah, that one ain't looking very good, boys. I don't feel like jacking with it tonight, so I'm gonna just wait till in the morning, fire up the welder, and I'm gonna weld a little nut on the end of it, and I'm gonna see if I can back it off. If not, then I'm just gonna trim it straight off and see if I can tap it with an easy out. And I'll tell you what, we're gonna get that thing, boys. Ain't no doubt about it. But anyway, so I'm gonna jack with the flywheel, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that on. Mustang GT. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that flywheel on, and got the clutch cleaned off right here, and we're gonna get that thing, boys. All right. Well, that is it for the flywheel. And I think she looks pretty good. I think we did a good job. About to get real western up in here, boys. It's about to get real western up in here. so I installed the clutch fork. It's got a new clutch fork in there, a new throwout bearing, and a new clutch fork ball on the other side. You can't see it, but just take my word for it. Anyway, but we're gonna see if we can't get this thing mounted up in there, and yeah, that'll be it, at least for tonight anyway. That is the transmission. It is in there. Just like that. First time's a charm. Just like that. And she's in. Well, folks, I kind of ran into a dilemma. I tried to weld it on there, weld a nut on there, and back it off, but it's just in there too good. It's hard to get it to back out. I know I need to heat it up. I just don't have the stuff that I need for it right now, but I will tend to that another time and another day. But on a brighter note, it is snowing deep in the heart of Texas. Hadn't snowed here in a long time. Crazy. But yeah, just like I thought it would. Just like the news said, I guess. Yeah, it's coming down pretty decently. Like a winter wonderland deep here in Texas. Anyway, well, we'll get that header. We'll take it back home. We'll back to my house. This is my mother's house, but we'll take it back there and we'll work on it and see if we can't get that bolt out. Either way, we're gonna get it. Ain't no doubt about that. Anyway, till next time. Missing some